So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find dog-friendly rentals here on Zumper. So once Zumper's opened up, I want you to go to the location and then select a location. So for this example, I will use New York, New York. Once the location is selected, I want you to go to the top to where it says pets. So in between deals and type, press on pets. Now where it says dogs allowed, make sure that that is selected. So once you're here, it'll say view results. And if you were to go ahead and press on that, it'll actually refine your search to listings that only offer dog friendly rentals. So this is very simple and very straightforward, but this is how to find dog friendly rentals here on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.